Hi darlings, and I look like a weird little egg with like this, but needs must. I come to you with another hack, and this one is for my babes who really struggle with under eye creasing. Now I have tried everything in the book. I've tried pro makeup artist. I'm a pro makeup artist myself. I've got the qualifications and all that good stuff. But I've literally tried powder puffs, I've tried damp beauty sponges, I've tried using brushes, I've tried different powders, different creams. I've used a cream instead of a gel. I've used every way that you can think of. But these two products are the only thing that I've found have worked, and they work amazingly. So the first one that I go in with is by NIKKIA, which is Nikki Tutorials' brand. This is a really beautiful hydrating kind of eye gel. It depuffs, it's not too thick, it just creates a really beautiful silky canvas underneath the eye. This alone is really beautiful if you just want minimal product under there, but it hydrates your eye, depuffs. My eyes water as well, and it really helps with this. It's a really good base. But then recently I've been going in with this on top. Now this is the Fenty Beauty Soft Silk Primer. So what I've been doing is I've already put it on. I'm letting it sit in for a minute. But I've been taking a little bit on my ring fingers, rubbing them together, and then just kind of smoothing it under the eye and then tapping it in and just leaving it for about 1 to 2 minutes until it's sunk in. Now, this concealer by HMB Cosmetics, it's Holly Boone's concealer. It creases on me. I've tried different powders. I've tried everything. And no matter what I use, concealers crease, but this one's my favourite. And I have been using this trick for the past about a week now. And it is a fail-safe. It is the best routine that I have found to stop under eye creasing. So I'm going to get my makeup on and I'm going to show you how beautiful it looks. So bear with me 1 sec. And then this is what we are looking like. So I'll kind of like come close so you can see my under eye. So this is what it looks like. Since using this routine, my under eye has been less dry. It's been more beautiful, and like I say, no creasing. Like, it's such a good routine. If you can't afford the NIKKIA or you don't want to, try the Fenty, because it truly, I love it. So yeah, life hack.